Yeah. Na anya stone boy de to American era into why na jindo obesiun Kelvin boy. Na oi de ehum no tu no ba fom kakra.
Okay.
Ehum na ba fom. Morning den ehum de panyin na se wo fie na se mo fama re nanka na se ankasa na se hwe mo fama mo wore nanka so wore kan nanka refo a
okay
wasn't
sure.
Number one cry atasa inti samini ompede obakade okana nkarefo no wo ho inti watotene fie ye
okay
samini wakane fie like what samini as a why ne ho what animal already nankasa mo respecting the dad but all the respect no up samini baby obia no yes I yakopon nkwatintin man because you hear nkofo what don no ma what no honom samini oyeden samini watro bibi kakra afa nsama orokodo no ho osede iwiaze ho a nsa omu wezi ban mezi no anansa hye wonuma one bite one bite or that's not one shout asasa when that nsa so so choke wa ebe yedan ehu no so oyi ne ho ano de ebi abomazana atwo ho efri nsa no ho but onya has ebe yedan ebe bite
yeah
iti samini wafre asomdwe osede obobomozan na waka Kelvin boy and onye stone boy was one album Sunday na stone boy yanda back
sure
na say stone boy na banye Kelvin boy is no Kelvin boy
no so ya ne grandson
inti say sisi wa bande won kese na ochedo so do ochunu Kelvin boy ho anado so do ochunu stone boy inta chedo so do o make sure dey asumdwe wa banti ozo mbat no honom na zo wum biara no waka na wahwe na wesisiem nti iye ni jesam ehun ina ita na American de mi na me peda me kade on don chai bia na ehun de shatter na ne militancy so issues kakra na me pede mu raise an appeal the dambra samini ori ani fie ye na nkashatawale waso aye wo fie ye
ze no utu shatawale so fo se
nanka no so ombomozo nanka on sisi ani fie na so ombomozo no onye ne militancy no ori reconcile ncha futu zo free brajebi afutu ze o free say nimpa no bafo so
pa
you know I don't be mara me shatter fan but why am I also there wa banedam because no onye militant no a very good relationship into your call on Shatawali there on Shaman Kasamini waje e wana na so on bomozan on bomozan assembly and you hono man that tell me ken what
they don't know you you don't know why you're talking because Samini go do so me too but you say what do you nyabo say
shut up we love you why into your pocho shana won sisi won asem na mo komenyim ebeke day and that okay some weeks ago now the Kennedy or expose for being of our prophet Nigel Gazy your human yeti ibra Madam Jana cheda Twitter or someone you want so catch it. Twitter number 1 trending Kenya Japan. Twitter number 2 trending. Na Ibra nizina oho na eshe postina. We Ibra waye na nsembi okeke no na ontweye. Ehu okenya kadoma Kenya Japan na akufa do nyina ultimatum 24 hours. One more panichao and the statement
it was huge. It was
I could have some na sisiala the way pay me day Ibra ne brother was for Abbas Dawood wow what way the next day ne brother no or bipolar
so bipolar kakra
ne
ba na ma o ye ne ma
na bipolar no
samo is it
bipolar
people do things that they hide behind bipolar
no me shada because the moment obi ba mess up no na nimpa no
but you see growing up na nipa bi ni mu a it was said say or believed that the only conform more bipolar but those people no even no music na meeting so no omo level no say you omo dia no well omo dia no emu mood swings bi ni ade and sometimes no but na yet to this level we be and them dey for there pa say na bipolar and say well
or shock mo but me further investigation na ochede bread no wako Kennedy wo the reports or doctor's reports ochede ni nua no wo bipolar
okay
na oye asem bi oye ebusua no woni secrets na bread no hwe mo sima asam no nanyo so na we ye pe so nyim the family people will not be happy about it's about abakade Ibra wo bipolar
but it's not I mean I don't see any shame in this because those people they need help and for how long now because so this adi we see enya niwo say obi your family member and onipa no go through such a situation or such a situation and then you let people know about it
or also mentioned that onyim there Kennedy obi a or investigations papa nti say bia oza kohwekra nka on ba out made no baka because onyim dem obedem biara no honorable be den obohu nachi
okay
nti honorable na so waka sakakra o se there we no ho papa there onyi Ibra onye na easy da magro no de otum ewondo okade obe expose na brother no okade mo no tomato no nam do no okaka na aza no also wenu no ho pa de onye Ibra onye ne ye dam ano na onye ne ye no na nka onyim da so nchoyera na ncha wanya den wankasa no ho na nka wankasa no but that's not withstanding no oda ho ogina na ando de obi biara why a fraud we Ghana had another only Ibra I a fraud biara no the million pound ono Kennedy akompre ko e Japan obeyi poko na iron obeyi na ma nti word to a wise he's in the north.
All right. Yeah, that's a pa. Now, you're fast that can say my proud sponsors. No, Manix Herbal Capsules. Bema, when are we here? Bet me a buana, wet me a boy, you many ultimate performance. Come up, Manix, a boy, a promote to libido, stamina, now, which, you know, when you're sexual potence, let me a boy, you many ultimate performance. Come up, Eddie Ama, bring we now, you be now no more. You discover the youth in you. Sounds like a come for HB rich syrup, Eddie Ama, Mujadru, come up, pay, super multivitamin tonic. Yeah, no, all the essentials, minerals, and vitamins. Ashimu ma ebe. You can for the amobi. Yes, I'm on your strong immune system. Pa. Nina, ya available. Well, pharmacy shops out doing near more across the country. The door pan of free 0302 2220 329 and after 020 80.